भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello student, how are you all? Okay, so last we have done with the revision of the chapter number 5, fractions, right? Okay, see, right now maybe you think about that, Kira, why we are not following that particular the revision worksheet, right? Because the some of the chapters are there in that revision worksheet which are not the part of the course paper, right? So if we'll get the time, then we will discuss it about that, but right now I'm just focusing on those chapter which are in the course paper. Then so पहले हम उसका रिवीजन करेंगे, अगर हमें लास्ट में टाइम मिलेगा then we'll do that. Done? Okay, so right now I'm just suggesting you that you just follow whichever question or whichever topic I am giving it to you, right, in this video lecture or whether in the online session. Okay, so today we are going to do the revision of the chapter number 3, which is multiplication. Okay, I know that is the very easy chapter, but in this one there are some of the new topics are there, so which I guess you haven't remember or you maybe forgot because it's a very big long time तब से ये रिवाइज नहीं हुआ है. So I am just focusing on that points only for now. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, here is the one thing, I'm not taking right now the revision worksheet questions, any of them. Then we'll get that, if we'll get the time then we will solve it. Understood? Okay, ये जो पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर्स लूँगा उसी चैप्टर्स के ही सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस हम रिवीजन शीट वाले करेंगे, ठीक है, अदर देन नॉट. ओके, चैप्टर नंबर 3, multiplication. Okay, so in this one also I am just taking few of the topics only, right? So you just have to prepare those topics only which are new for you. Then we are not doing the revision of the previous topics that you have already taught in the standard 3rd, which topics are again repeat in this chapter also. So I am just we are just doing that chapters only, we are just doing that topics only, particularly in this chapter which aren't repeated, then which are new for you. Okay, so first topic, multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. Then so this is the first topic of this multiplication. Okay, so what we have to do when the number we are multiplying it with multiply by 10, 100 और 1000, और लाइकवाइज इसके जैसे कोई नंबर हो, यहाँ फिर 20 हो, 30 हो, 400 हो, 500 हो, 6000 हो, 7000 हो, ऐसे के जैसे नंबर हो और हमें उसको एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. Okay, let's take one example. These are all are the extra examples, and also in the homework also you will get the extra questions only based on this kind of topics. Yeah. Okay. Example 1. Let's say we are here multiplying 52 multiplied by 10. Okay, so in this one what we have to do, अगर मल्टीप्लाई बाय ऐसे कोई डिजिट है 10 20 sorry 10 100 या 1000, so we just have to focus on the number only, just like that, and the number of zeros are there have just we have to put after the number. That's it. That is the answer of this one. Same way if it is the number is like 52 multiplied by 100, so तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा 52 and लास्ट में 2 0. Then this is for them who forget this multiplication. If the number is like that 52 multiplied by 1000, so how many number of 0 we have to put? 3, right? 52 and after that 30. This is how you have to do the multiplication when the multiplication is with 10, 100 or 1000, right? Okay, now let's say कि अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमारे पास जो नंबर्स हैं वो 10, 100 या 1000 ऐसा कोई नहीं है. We have a number like that. Say for example 23 multiplied by 20. Okay, 23 multiplied by 20. So अभी हमें क्या करना है, अगर ऐसा कोई नंबर हो और अगर आप पे लास्ट में अगर जीरो वाला कोई भी नंबर हो तो वो आपको 0 for now अभी के लिए आपको कंसिडर नहीं करना है. You just have to do the directly multiplication with the remaining number. Yeah? Say for example ये 20 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो सिर्फ आपको 2 के साथ ही करना है. क्या करना है आपको? सिर्फ 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 23 multiplied by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 46 आएगा and लास्ट में 0 है उतना ऐड कर देना. Understood? Let's take one more kind of this. 46 multiplied by 700. If it is like that, so we just have to multiply with the 7 only. We just have to multiply with the 7 only. We didn't have to multiply with 700. Keep this in your mind. Let's say 7 6 are 42. So 2 here, 4 carry over. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32. And remaining 2 0 we have to put at last. Done? So that's how we have to do all the things in this one. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. One digit multiplication you have already known, so no need to repeat that one. So we are just doing the multiplication with 2 digits number. Let's take one example. Two digit okay, so let's take 3 2 3 1 multiply by 12. Okay, so first we have to do the multiplication with the ones digit. 12 में ones digit क्या है? 2. So that means 2 multiplied by 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? Okay, now we have to multiply with the tens digit. Okay, before we multiply with the tens digit we have to put 1 0 at once. Why? Because we are doing the multiplication with the tens digit. Then इसलिए उसका एक 0 पहले से लिखना पड़ेगा. 1 1s are 1, 3 2 3, and at last we have to add just both of the 4. 2 7 4 plus 7 3 7, 6 plus 2 8, and 3. Okay, so this is the answer of this. Let's take one more example related to that. Let's say 2 and 3 digits. Okay, now if we are multiplying with the 3-digit number, let's say 3 to 8, multiply with the 152. Okay, now first multiply with the ones digit. Starting with the ones digit 2 से 2 8s are 16, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6. Let's do the multiplication now. Tens digit 5 से पहले 0 पुट कर देना है. 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry over, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14, 1 carry over, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Right, now let's do multiplication with the 100 means 100th digit. So 100th digit में 2 0 एक्स्ट्रा पुट करने पड़ेंगे हमें. पहले वंस डिजिट में कुछ नहीं पुट करना है, टेंस डिजिट में एक 0 पुट करना है, और 100 डिजिट में 2 0 पुट करना है. राइट, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, and 1 3s are 3. And at last we have to add them. 6 plus 4 10 plus 8 18, 1 carry over, 1 plus 6 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so 4 8 4 9 8 5 6. Then this is the answer that you got by this one. Then okay, so that's how you have to do the multiplication with the 3-digit number, 2-digit and 3-digit number, likewise that. Then next topic. Okay, so next we are doing the likewise rounding off. No need for that one. Let's do that one topic which is remaining at last, which is the estimating the product. In this one we just have to do the estimation only. Then this one we just have to do the estimation only. Before that, let's revise again the round off. Round off, take the 10th, 100 and 1000. Then and then after let's take multiplication and division किस तरह से होता है. Round off up to tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, so if it is a tens, अगर tens तक करना होता है तो हमें वंस डिजिट देखना होता है. Say for example, if it is like that 13, so वंस डिजिट देखना होता है. अगर वंस डिजिट जो है वो लेस देन 5 है तो हमें वो 0 एज इट इज रखना होता है. और अगर वंस डिजिट ग्रेटर देन 5 हो तो हमें उसमें 10 ऐड कर देना होता है. टेंस डिजिट में 30 1 प्लस 1 ये 20 हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड. नियरेस्ट टू 20 वाला कर देना है उस तरह से. वो 10 या फिर एज यू कैन सी दैट इसकी नंबर 0 वाला इन शॉर्ट आपको 0 वाला कोई भी नंबर आएगा वहां तक आपको ले जाना है. से फॉर एग्जांपल ये 10 के नज़दीक है और ये 20 के नज़दीक है. तो इस तरह से Now if it is for the 100, let's take one example. So 100 minimum, तो यहाँ 3 digits वाला ले सकते हैं हम. Let's say 323. So in this one हमें लास्ट के 2 डिजिट देखने हैं. That means 1 and 10 both. So if it is less than 50, तो वो दोनों 0 हो जाएंगे. And let's say 475. If it is greater than 50, तो उसमें 100 प्लस हो जाएगा. So that is 500. Then लास्ट के 2 डिजिट तो 0 ही होंगे, वो याद रखना है. Then okay, now let's say round off till the, if it is given as a 1000, let's say one number 4237. So इसमें आपको लास्ट के 3 डिजिट देखने रहेंगे. अगर लास्ट के 3 डिजिट लेस देन 500, है, लास्ट के 3 डिजिट लेस देन 500 है, तो हमें लास्ट के तीनों डिजिट 0 पुट कर देने हैं. और अगर इस तरह से 4756, अगर लास्ट के 3 डिजिट ग्रेटर देन 500, तो हमें उसमें 1000 ऐड कर देना है. लास्ट के 3 डिजिट तो 0 ही रखने, बट 1000 ऐड कर देना है. दैट मीन्स 1000 के प्लेस पर 1 ऐड हो जाएगा. सो 4 + 1 5. Then so that's how you have to do it. अभी अगर इसमें इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस दी हैं आपको कि राउंड ऑफ करो और उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई करो. लेट्स से राउंड ऑफ बीच वाला ही लेते हैं, राउंड ऑफ टिल द 100. अगर इस तरह का कोई क्वेश्चन दिया है कि राउंड ऑफ करो 100 तक, एंड then after you have to multiply with each other. Say for example, if you have a question like 7233 multiply by, let's say 233 multiply by 779. So इन दोनों को पहले हमें राउंड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा टिल द 100. So that means हमें इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, लास्ट के 2 डिजिट क्या है 33, so that is less than 50. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 200, और ये 779, लास्ट के 2 डिजिट 79, सो ये क्या हो जाएगा 800. है ना. अब इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो हमें आता है 200 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 800. अभी क्या करना है, सिर्फ हमें डिजिट का ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होता है, जीरोस हमें नहीं काउंट करने हैं राइट नाउ. डिजिट का ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो दैट मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8, सो 2 8s are 16, and number of 0 we have to put at last. 1 2 3 4, total number of 0 you can count and you can put it last. Right? That's how you have to do in this one. Okay, now for the homework I am giving you one photos और extra questions का एक photos मैं आपको send कर दूंगा for the homework. Done? So that's it for today from my side. Today we have done with the revision of the chapter number 3 multiplication. Then whichever topic I take, then these are not all the topics of this chapter, but these are the necessary topics. Then so which is you have to remember to let's say आगे बढ़ने के लिए next standard में ये useful वाले topics है. That's why. Okay, so that's it for today from my side. Bye bye everyone.